Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'll be making braised yellow croaker fish. Let's get right to it. To start, prepare yellow croaker, remove the scales, make a cut from the chain of the fish down to the end of the belly area. Remove the gills and all the inner organs. Rinse the fish and soak in water. Then add ginger slices, chopped scallions, salt, and cooking wine. Marinate for 1 hour. Slice ginger and red bell pepper. Heat the pan over medium heat. Add cooking oil and ginger slices. Pan frying the fish both sides until brown. Then add black vinegar and some water. Wait for a boil and then add cooking wine and light soy sauce. Stew until half sauce remains and add red bell pepper slices and salt. Serve immediately and then braised yellow croaker fish is ready. Please try the recipe and let me know what you think. Thanks for watching and see you until next time.